This thief stole the children's playhouse. Two thieves entered the yard, stole the headphones left in front of the house and the letters from the mailbox. Then they spoke to the camera before walking away.
No. Hello? Yes, sir, hi. I came over here because my mail was in here.
This woman stole the sweet bulldog that was in the yard and walked away. The worst part is, the bulldog was sick, and its medication was with the owner. The woman stole the Christmas decoration hanging on the door. The female thieves saw the decorations at the door. After noticing the camera, they tried to hide their faces while stealing the ornaments and flowers placed in front of the door. Late at night, the woman tells the man trying to break into her house to leave.
Get your ass out that backyard. Get out of my backyard.
This is my people's crib.
They ain't your people crib. Wrong house, buddy.
A young boy was wandering around late at night when he suddenly had to use the bathroom. With no other options, he unfortunately chose the front of this house. Late at night, a man came to the house and decided to put on a little show for the camera. He started dancing and slapping his own hips, leaving everyone who watched with one big question. Why was he doing this?
You're welcome.
He parked his car to grab some items from the trunk and began unloading them. But he forgot one crucial thing: he didn't pull the handbrake. The thief stole the window screen and the bicycle from the yard. The police arrived at the scene to investigate the incident.
Hello, officers.
How are you doing, sir?
Hi there. I'm in my office, but I'm able to talk to you through the Ring Doorbell.
Are you able to make it here to the house? You have the two kids in custody.
You do? You? Oh my God, I love the Ring Doorbell. Yeah, I just got a call from the station. They asked me to come home, so I'm gonna head there now. It'll take probably about 20 minutes. I'm at the airport.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
I got me. I got me. Oh, look.
The man opens the mailbox and starts inspecting the incoming mail.
Imagine that. But another bill for Bill. How's that happen? Package for Deb. A bill for Bill. Man, somebody's getting the better end of that bargain.
The thief was trying to steal parts from the car. Thinking the homeowner wasn't home, he got to work. But the homeowner was actually inside.
Get away from my car right now. Call the police. He was trying to steal our converter. Just now. Yeah. Someone's trying to steal our converter off our car. Isn't that crazy?
He kicked the door and ran away.
You're a
A man was sunbathing in his yard, completely unaware that a bear had entered. The bear seemed just as shocked when it saw the man. An elderly woman knocked on the door for a long time. When no one answered, she decided to leave them a message.
So if you like to eat, you just come over and you're welcome to get it. You hear me? I called it and you didn't answer because I think you're busy. But anyway, we are having taco night. Good night. Goodbye.
He seems like someone who loves to dance, but this dance is quite strange, though I guess it's a matter of preference.
You're welcome.
Late at night, an elderly woman knocked on the door and stated her requests.
Hello? Are you guys okay in there? Okay, forget it.
I'm the box demon. I'm the box demon. I'm the box demon.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, man. I was wondering if I could pick up the leaves in the front of your house.
Pick up the leaves in front of my house this time of night?
Yeah, I'm just trying to help people as much as I could.
Oh, no. No, I'm good. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good night.
You too.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi, my name is Hooker. Somebody lose a phone? Telephone? If so, this guy got a friend of mine have it.
I rang the doorbell, no one answered. I rang the doorbell, no one answered. Sorry.